As you're rightly mentioning, that the water scarcity here in the national capital only continues to deepen, and while that is happening, the entire controversy, the entire political back and forth revolves around the Munnak Canal, and that is exactly where we are reporting for. My camera person Rohit is in fact showing you the visuals of the Munnak Canal here in Bavana in the national capital. Now this certainly is the lifeline of the national capital, because this is this is the canal from where the water from Haryana is supplied to the national capital, and this then goes to every household in the form of the drinking water. Now in fact, what Atashi here, the water minister in the Delhi government, alleges is that the Haryana is not supplying enough water to this Munnak Canal that can be then be supplied to every household here in the national capital. While on the other hand, if we tell you about the Rajnivas, Rajnivas sources tell us that as per the inspection report, it has been found that 2,289 cusecs of water at Munnak in Haryana is released, and that in fact if we talk about from Munnak to Kakori, that that is the supply of water exclusively for Delhi, that is 1,161 cusecs of water. However, when that water from Kakori reaches to Munnak Canal at Bavana, which is where we are reporting from, that becomes 960.78 cusecs. That means a loss of 200 cusecs when it reaches here in the national capital. And if we convert that into percentage, that is 18% of loss. Now the Rajnivas sources in fact tell us that only 5% of loss of water is is as per the accepted norm. So that is where the Rajnivas alleges the water scarcity is happening. Now on the other hand, the Delhi BJP in fact has also raised questions on the Delhi government. In fact, they have gone on to say that the tankers that are present here, and we are showing you in our very frame, you can see the tankers that are present here, the private tankers that are present here. The BJP alleges that they are in fact taking water, stealing water from here, and that is why the water scarcity is only deepening here in the national capital. In fact, we are continuing to show you the visuals exclusively on NDTV, how in fact the private water tanker that is present here continues to take in water, and you can see the wastage of water that we are showing you. Certainly you can see that how liters of water is being wasted, and from the time that is for over an hour that we are present here at the spot, this is continuously happening. So you can clearly imagine the wastage of water that is happening from this one private tanker that is present here. So certainly here the wastage of water, that certainly continues. We at NDTV are present at the Munnak Canal, the lifeline of the national capital when it comes to drinking water, and here as well we are seeing how the water is being wasted. Now on the other hand, Atashi today has in fact directed the Chief Secretary to form a quick response team and in fact send in to the location where the leakages, where the wastage is happening, and all of that to be fixed in less than 12 hours. But certainly we are still awaiting that the water minister takes cognizance of what we are showing you. In fact, let me show you that after we finish showing you the visuals, it is when the water in fact they have stopped taking more water from the canal that is present here. So certainly this wastage is happening across the city as well. Over to you.